Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this one I'm going to do the gaming benchmark comparison test between the Poco X3 Pro versus iQOO Z5 device. So this is another most requested question asking me to compare these both phones, and it's been very long time friends. I thought of doing this video, but I've been really very busy with the other new phone, which is a Realme GT Neo 2 and Realme UI 3.0 as well. I was unable to do this video, but finally I got some time, and right now the time is about close to 12:16 a.m. I thought of making this video and before sleeping. So let's see which phone has got what kind of gaming benchmark. So this is a gaming benchmark application which I'm trying to use in both phones exactly. Snapdragon 860 versus Snapdragon 778G with the enhanced versions of the LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1 as well. So with slightly better, faster in terms of the enhanced versions. That's the reason I thought of mentioning for you all. This is the application which I'm trying to use between these both phones. So this application, let me try to demonstrate what the exact purpose of this one. So in this application, we will be having the one simulated video. As you can see friends, exactly this will give the real-time floating FPS meter. So which has got different settings as well, graphics settings. So low, medium, high, ultra, as you can see, same kind of graphics settings. As soon as you select a low quality, what happens is that the FPS count will increase to 120 FPS. You can clearly see friends, in the low volume you will be definitely getting the higher FPS count as well in the low volumes. So you should not be worried about that high FPS count. But let me just select the medium quality, what happens in the medium quality. So in the medium quality and high quality and the ultra quality, in this way the FPS will definitely decrease because of the intense kind of graphics. That's another thing you should definitely understand. So finally, in this way, I'm going to use the ultra settings, which is available in the ultra settings, as you can see friends clearly. So both phones, same settings. I'm trying to use the ultra settings graphics only. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of average FPS count by using this gaming benchmark. So this is a really good useful application which will be simulating the videos, and you'll be able to see the real-time FPS, minimum FPS and maximum FPS. Try to focus clearly. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones are displaying same kind of average, slightly kind of close, nothing much difference. You can see 29. Even though the iQOO Z5 has got Snapdragon 778G processor, but still it was really very close to the Snapdragon 860. Yes, in the benchmarks also it was really close. Even in the performance also it's really close. So you can see the difference how it is between both phones in terms of the average 36 and 37, but slightly higher in the Poco X3 Pro. Anyway, we are getting slightly higher results. So this test will continue for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes of time. So till then this will go on in a loop. This kind of video simulation you can clearly see with the ultra graphics. Slightly better in the Poco X3 Pro. As you can see friends clearly, slightly a little bit better in the Poco X3 Pro. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison between this side, both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. And I think 2 FPS meters is slightly higher, 2 numbers, because 39 and 40, sometimes 38 and 40. So right now there is only difference of 1, nothing much huge difference. Finally, at the end of the test results, both phones did maintain 40 average, but slightly the Poco X3 Pro sometimes having slight higher. Just only 1 FPS, nothing much huge difference. So overall friends, in this experiment, what we got to know is that both phones were very close to each other in terms of the gaming benchmark, very close. You can clearly see nothing much huge difference. Sometimes the iQOO Z5 has got higher results, sometimes the Poco X3 Pro has got higher results. So apart from that, nothing much huge difference between these both phones at this moment. Finally, the benchmark has been completed. As you can see from the results, it's very close between these both phones. Nothing much huge difference between the benchmarks in this FPS count between these both phones. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in this way we'll be able to find out what is the performance of the phones as well using this kind of gaming benchmark tools. So previously I used to use only the Geekbench or maybe another benchmark test, but sometimes if you do like this kind of testings, only then you will be able to understand what is happening with the gaming wise. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video and in a state of more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.